नमस्कार। केमिस्ट्री विजन क्लासेस की सीरीज में आज हैलो एल्केन की केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ हैलो एल्केन। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट chemical properties of haloalkane. Here as previous we have already discussed the following types of reaction. Number 1, nucleophilic substitution reaction, which is two types. One, unimolecular and substitution nucleophilic, unimolecular and bimolecular. Now second, elimination reaction. Now third, reaction with metals. Fourth, reduction reaction. And fifth, as possible, rearrangement reaction. Okay, so हैलो एल्केन में फॉलोइंग टाइप की केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज की रिएक्शंस होती हैं. हियर केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ हैलो एल्केन divided by the four types of reaction. Nucleophilic substitution. Nucleophilic is divided in the two part, unimolecular and bimolecular. Elimination reaction with metals, and reduction, and then after rearrangement. Okay, so let's start one by one. Okay, so first reaction is nucleophilic substitution reaction. NSR, nucleophilic substitution reaction. NSR is a two types, SN1, SN2. Nucleophilic substitution, as you know by the name, substitution means किसी को हटा करके ऐड होना, that is the substitution. Addition means डायरेक्ट आके ऐड हो जाना, दिस इज द एडिशन. सब्स्टिट्यूशंस मतलब कोई रिप्लेस होगा देन वो हो जाएगा. आप सपोज दैट हियर और बी आर एल्काइल ब्रोमाइड प्लस KOH. So here substitution means when the haloalkane, the negative part means halogen functional group replaced by another group. Replaced by another group means OH. So ROH plus KBr. This is the substitution. ये सब्स्टिट्यूशन है, मतलब Br को हटा करके OH जुड़ गया. OH is hydroxyl, Br is bromide. So as previous video we have also discussed the nature of carbon halogen bond, means where C bond X, this is the process, C X, C having the partial positive, halogen having the partial negative. Means this is the partial positive, partial negative, means dipole polarity of the halogen compounds. Okay, so here in this regarding, इसको इस following type C positive plus X negative, that is halide ion and carbocation. So this carbocation react with nucleophile reagent. Nucleophile reagent means negative ion, negative charge and neutral, which attach to the carbon atom, means carbocation, to form here C and U. That's all. Okay, so this is the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution means halogen compounds का क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, आयोडीन, whatever, so haloalkanes का halogen replaced होना by another nucleophile reagent. This process is called as nucleophilic substitution reaction. By nature, this is a two types of reactions. Okay, further we will discuss the SN1 and SN2 reactions and its mechanism. This is the further topic. Okay, so let's start the first nucleophilic substitution reactions. Means first reaction here C2H5Br. Okay, C2H5Br is a primary, first primary bromoethane. It's a simple primary bromoethane. Okay, one thing I want to clear here. Here nucleophilic substitution reaction is a two types of reaction. First is SN1 and other is SN2, yani unimolecular, bimolecular. So what is the main nucleophilic substitution, unimolecular and bimolecular, and its mechanism? So both reactions, both mechanism, I will discuss the further topic. Okay, so in further topic, further video, I will complete detail study will be given here to further topic, the whole mechanism of both nucleophilic substitution reaction. But here only the substitution reaction, how can substitute the halogen atom from the another nucleophile reagent. Okay, so this is the nucleophilic substitution reaction. By name, substitution means substitute करके add होना. This is the substitution reaction. Okay, so here plus KOH, alcoholic KOH. Okay, so here ROH plus KBr. That is ROH means here C2H5OH. Ethanol means primary ethanol. Okay, and here if we take the secondary bromide CHBr, CH3, yes, primary, here secondary, 1 2 3, secondary bromopropane, 2 bromopropane. Okay, secondary bromopropane या 2 bromopropane react with KOH. Here one substitution reaction, this is the substitute, and here plus KOH, alcoholic So CHBr. Okay, that is very sorry, OH, alcohol. Okay, so primary alcohol, here secondary alcohol means secondary propanol. Secondary propanol means if we take here the primary haloalkane, then primary haloalkane gives the primary alcohol, as well as we take here the secondary haloalkane, so here gives the secondary alcohol. Okay, so this is the nucleophilic substitution reaction. In haloalkane, bromine is substituted by the OH. So OH is a nucleophile reagent. OH means nucleophile reagent. This is the nucleophile. Okay, so this is the first reaction. Means primary haloalkane gives primary alcohol, secondary haloalkane gives secondary alcohol, and as tertiary gives tertiary alcohol. Next. Reaction with H2O. C2H5 Br plus H2O is equal to C2H5 OH plus HCl. Means C2H5 Br H OH, here C2H5 OH plus H Br. This is the substitution. Main concept is in haloalkane, halogen atom substituted by another. Okay, so this is the substitution reaction. Now third, KCl. When haloalkane KCl, alcoholic KCl, to form here ethyl bromide, means haloalkane react with KCl to form here C2H5Cl plus KBr. C2H5 C triple bond N. Bromoethane, primary bromoethane, here ethyl cyanide, propane nitrile, its IUPAC name propane nitrile. Propane nitrile या ethyl cyanide. It's okay. Next, C2H5Br plus AgCl it's an important reaction. Must be remember this reaction, because in this reaction here isocyanide formed here. Isocyanide, when KCN, LICN etc. यहाँ पर लेते हैं, इलेक्ट्रो पॉजिटिव एलिमेंट्स के साथ साइनाइड रहता है, सो साइनाइड बनता है. हियर सिल्वर साइनाइड लेते हैं, मीन्स सिल्वर लेस रिएक्टिव होता है, बहुत कम रिएक्टिव होता है. इसके साथ जब ये रहता है तो आइसोसाइनाइड बनता है. इट्स एन इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शन, यू ऑलवेज मस्ट बी रिमेंबर फॉर द आइसोसाइनाइड प्रिपरेशन. ओके, so when the ethyl bromide react with AgCl here to form C2H5NC, C2H5NC plus AgBr. C2H5NC means C2H5N double bond C. It's a simple, it's a simple structure. As previous class, you have also know about the structure. So C2H5ANC means ethyl carbon amine. Ethyl carbon amine. Ethyl isocyanide. Propane isonitrile. Propane isonitrile. There are several names. Okay, कोई भी आप लिख सकते हैं. तो this is the isocyanide. Is a very poisonous. Isocyanide means poisonous होती है. Poisonous. As you know that in the Bhopal gas tragedy, Bhopal gas tragedy, in there MIC means methyl isocyanide, CH3NC gas. ये गैस methyl isocyanide is a MIC. Methyl isocyanide means methyl carbon amine. Methyl isocyanide is gas which is the main cause of the Bhopal gas tragedy. जो भोपाल गैस में जो गैस रिसी थी, this is the methyl isocyanide. Okay, तो it's a very poisonous. Okay, तो this is the formation of isocyanide. अब इसको अगर बनाना है, मिथाइल आइसोसाइनाइड को बनाना है, so here CH3Br ये लीजिए प्लस AgCl ये बन जाएगा. इट्स ओके. यस. नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन with ammonia. Very important reaction. When the haloalkane react with ammonia to form the primary amine, if the excess quantity of the haloalkane to form the secondary amine and also tertiary amine, and in rare cases to form the quaternary amine. Okay, so here reaction with ammonia means when the haloalkane react with ammonia in the alcoholic present to form here primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine, and in rare cases to form the quaternary tetra ammonium salt. Okay, so here first is C2H5Br plus ammonia HNH2. Here HNH2 means ammonia ही है, and NH3 ही है ये NH3. Okay, so here C2H5 NH2 C2H5 NH2 plus HBr, that is ethyl amine, primary amine. When this ethyl amine again react with C2H5Br means अगर इसकी एक्सेस क्वांटिटी होती है, एक्सेस क्वांटिटी अगेन जनरली when the haloalkane react with ammonia to form amine, when the haloalkane quantity is excess to form the secondary, tertiary, etc. So here firstly haloalkane bromoethane react with ammonia to form primary ethyl amine. A primary ethylamine again Br. So here इसको इस तरह, ओके। वही सेम, यस, देखिए, ओके। C2H5 NH C2H5 means C2H5 का होल ट्वाइस NH, दैट इज, और प्लस क्या निकल गया, HBr, दैट इज सेकेंडरी एमीन। मीन्स क्या नेम होगा, 2,2,4 डाईइथाइल एमीन, सेकेंडरी डाईइथाइल एमीन या ब्यूटेलामीन। 4 है ब्यूटेलामीन, सेकेंडरी ब्यूटेलामीन या सेकेंडरी डाईइथाइल सेकेंडरी एमीन, ओके, इट्स अ नेम हियर। एंड अगेन फिर से C2H5 का होल ट्वाइस NH, अगेन Br C2H5, वही जो हमने लिखा था यहां पर, XS सेम, all H replaced by alkyl radical, all H, तो C2H5 का होल थ्राइस N प्लस HBr, C2H5 का होल थ्राइस N मीन्स C2H5 N, that is tertiary amine. Tertiary amine means, tertiary amine means 3 alkyl radical is heading here. Secondary means 2 alkyl radical. Primary means 1 alkyl radical. So 1 ethyl primary, 2 ethyl secondary, 3 ethyl tertiary. So here tertiary 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, क्या बोलेंगे इसको, अब किसका, हेक्सिलेमीन, tertiary हेक्सिलेमीन, but IUPAC may be different, okay. So here this is the first, primary, secondary and tertiary. This is the simple reaction, but for your kind information, if C2H5 का होल थ्राइस N प्लस C2H5 Br, अब इसमें कोई भी H नहीं है इसलिए रिप्लेस्ड नहीं होगा, तो ये बन जाता है C2H5 का होल 4 N Br, that is salt, quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary ammonium means tetraethyl ammonium bromide, tetraethyl ammonium bromide. So when the haloalkane react with ammonia to form primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine, and in last give the quaternary amine, quaternary ammonium salt. So this is the reaction with ammonia. Okay, it's okay. Yes. Let's next reaction. Reaction with sodium alkoxide means RONA, that is Williamson synthesis. Williamson synthesis. This reaction is a very important reaction, that is the Williamson synthesis. So what is the sodium alkoxide? Means when the alkyl amine, alkyl halide, ethyl bromide react with C2H5ONa Ag2O ड्राई, इसकी प्रेजेंस में ये बनता है, तो देखेंगे ये इसमें C2H5O C2H5 प्लस NaBr, क्या है ये? दैट इज ईथर. Again here ethyl bromide. What is this? Sodium alkoxide. This is the salt. Means when the alcohol, ethyl alcohol react with NaOH. Okay, alcohol is a generally acidic nature. So this OH to form here C2H5ONa. C2H5ONa, alcohol and sodium hydroxide react to form salt minus H2O. अब ये साल्ट हो गया तो इसका नाम है C2H5OH. जब ये C2H5O negative plus H positive, this ion is called a nucleophile reagent. This is nucleophile, means ethoxide ion. This is ethoxide ion. So here RONA alkoxide, RO negative means alkoxide. एल्कोहल से एल्कोक्साइड, इथाइल एल्कोहल से एथेनॉल से, दिस इज द एथेनॉल टू फॉर्म एथॉक्साइड आयन एंड प्रोटॉन आयन. सो एथॉक्साइड इज अ न्यूक्लियोफाइल reagent because it's having the negative charge. Okay, तो एथॉक्साइड आयन एंड अब इसमें Na ऐड हो गया तो सोडियम एथॉक्साइड, क्या नाम हो गया? सोडियम ethoxide. That is the sodium ethoxide. Concept is clear. Okay, so when the alkyl halide react with sodium ethoxide, sodium alkoxide. अब what is sodium alkoxide, sodium ethoxide? तो हमने ये आपको कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर कर दिया. इट्स ओके. हाँ, तो सोडियम एथॉक्साइड से ये क्या फॉर्म होता है? ईथर. अब ईथर है तो इसका नेम क्या होगा? डाई इथाइल ईथर, सिंपल नेम. एथॉक्सी ईथेन, दैट इज द IUPAC नेम. तो दिस इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ईथर. You main important reaction all time you must be remember. So formation of ether, so one of them is the one method is here from haloalkane. When the haloalkane react with sodium alkoxide in the presence of dry Ag2O to form the ether. अब कौन सा ईथर बनाना है? as according to here you can take the different alkyl halide. Okay, तो दिस इज द ईथर. एथॉक्साइड, एक डाईएथिल ईथर या एथॉक्सी ईथेन. अब सपोज दैट हियर मान लीजिए यहाँ पर C2H5O और CH3 है. इट्स अ नॉमेनक्लेचर एज अ प्रीवियस टॉपिक, बट हियर मेथिल एथिल ईथर, सिंपल नेम. मिथाइल इथाइल ईथर या मेथॉक्सी ईथेन. इट्स ओके. यस. सो दिस इज द रिएक्शन ऑफ Williamson synthesis. Okay, next reaction is KNO2 यानी रिएक्शन विथ KNO2 पोटेशियम नाइट्राइड। तो C2H5 Br plus KNO2 is equal to C2H5ONO, ठीक है, दैट इज इथाइल नाइट्राइड, इथाइल नाइट्राइड, ठीक है। तो ONO ये दो प्रकार का होता है, एक तो ये है और एक होता है, अगर इसमें आप ले लेते हैं AgNO2, AgNO2 to form here C2H5NO2, इसमें मीन्स ये this is coordinate and this is covalent. So this and this molecular formula is same, but its a structural formula is different. So this is the nitrite, this is the nitrate. तो ethyl nitrate, okay? तो ये बन गया। Next, so here haloalkane, chemical properties of haloalkane with the help of nucleophilic substitution reaction. न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शंस, हेलोएल्केन का हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस्ड होता है बाय द न्यूक्लियोफाइल रिएजेंट, न्यूक्लियोफाइल रिएजेंट के द्वारा। सो दिस टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन वी हैव स्टडीड द 5-6 रिएक्शंस, ओके। अब नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है इनका मैकेनिज्म। SN1 यानी आपका न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन, SN1 SN2, इनके एग्जाम्पल एंड इनकी मैकेनिज्म, ओके। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी हैव स्टडीड द haloalkane, nucleophilic substitution of haloalkane, and further topic will be the mechanism of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Namaskar.